Hello my dear friend, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update. As you know, I am bringing new crypto project in which you can invest and get profit. So today I am bringing a new amazing cryptocurrency project. Its name is M3D. M3D guys is amazing project. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. M3D, building the technology of future. Trade, learn and earn with M3D. This is future. M3D is a powerful reward token designed to provide consistent benefit to its holder. Simply hold the token in your wallet and enjoy recurring reward effortlessly. The buy and sell tax is 10% by purchasing your first tokens. You get your referral link. Sharing your link gives you a 2% tax from every buy. And next guys, we go to launch app. So guys, you can click here and see this page is loading. So guys, you can see this page is open. You can swap tokens with M3D. You can check here. So first of all, you can connect your wallet. You can click here and connect following wallet. So guys, you can connect Phantom wallet. Then you can see this. You can swap your M3D token now. You can check here and next back to the home page and see this further detail about this project M3D. M3D guys, this amazing finance technology project. You can scroll down and see the circulating supply, 18 million data, locked supply, 50 million, M3D price, 0.0035 dollar data, M3D market cap amount, 38 million. And next guys, you can scroll down and see these futures. Futures, why should I buy 3D? Reward system. M3D is a powerful reward token designed to provide continuous earning for its holder. By simply holding M3D, you can enjoy automatic and recurring reward. Built on BSC, M3D operates on Binance Smart Chain, ensuring fast, secure, and cost-effective transaction for all users. And as guys, you can scroll down and see this strong community. With an active and expanding community, M3D connects investors and enthusiasts worldwide, fostering growth and engagement, robust security. M3D boosts a powerful technological infrastructure designed to withstand attack, ensuring your assets are always protected. And next guys, we discuss how it works. Watch your video explaining the M3D token and ecosystem. So guys, you can click here and see this, see more detail. You can check here, and next guys, you can check here further detail about this project. You can check here, you can click here and watch this video about this project M3D. You can check here. Step 1, download wallet. Download MetaMask to store and manage M3D, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and other cryptocurrencies. Step 2, purchase token. Buy our token directly from our wallet in our platform or view PancakeSwap. Step 3, hold your token. Simply hold your token in your wallet to become eligible for rewards. Step 4, enjoy your reward. Sit back, relax and watch your reward accumulate. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here. You can see this concept of M3D. M3D sale is a secure and user-friendly platform where you can purchase our tokens directly or through PancakeSwap. By participating, you can earn additional rewards through our referral systems. How do you make money? Once you create an account on M3D sale, you will receive a unique referral link. When other purchase tokens use your link, your referral points increase. The more points you earn, the greater your reward. And next guys, you can scroll down, check here, commission from buy and sale of M3D token. Referral points are earned each time someone buys token through your referral link. You can check here. And next guys, you can scroll down and see this commission from your referral links dividend from subsequent projects built in M3D ecosystem. You can check here. And next guys, you can check here ecosystem of M3D. Our tokenomics total supply, you can check here. Liquidity 10%, team 30%, marketing and development 10%. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here. Community and partnerships 10%, airdrop and distributions 10%, reserve and burn 20%, exchange listing 10%. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here. You can see this launch pool coming soon. You can check here, rocket coming soon, treasury coming soon. And next guys, we go to white paper of this project M3D. So guys, you can click here and see this white paper of this project. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to our project official Twitter page. So guys, you can check here, M3D Network official Twitter page is open. You can follow here and get information about this project. You can check here our important announcement about this project. Big Bang coming soon. The power is with you. You can check here all posts. You can like and comment this post and retweet this post about this project. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, we go to this project official Telegram. Guys, you can check here M3D World official Telegram group chat community is open. You can check here 641 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest update.